Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you some new wallpapers from iOS 18. So if you recently installed iOS 18, you now have access to new wallpapers which iOS 18 provides. So let me show you how to access them and how to set them. So before we begin, first make sure you update your iPhone to the latest iOS. You can do this by going into Settings, then tapping on General, and then Software Update. Here you need to make sure your iPhone is up to date with iOS 18. Now once that's updated, you want to go back to the home screen, lock your phone. So you want to go ahead and unlock your screen, hold and press your lock screen. Now swipe left and then tap on this plus sign to add a new wallpaper. Now from here you want to go ahead and tap on the new iOS 18. And here you have a choice of different wallpapers which you can choose from. So you have your dynamic, yellow, pink, azure, and purple. So whichever you like, go ahead and choose them and then tap on add at the top right. Now here you can set it as a wallpaper pair. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then I'll choose this wallpaper. And there you go. Those were the new wallpapers from iOS 18. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.